I-pride iyabambelelana. Some people bafeyile varsity but they don't want to come back. Some people baseJozi right now balahlekelwa imisebenzi. Abafuni kubuya bacolela kuboleka imali badle because they are so full of pride ukuthi angabuye emakhaya bambude ukuthi why uhambe ngetinyawo ungakathenga imoto. I-pride ikubanga ukuthi uqhubeke ulambe kunekuthi ubuye utosho ukuthi ngiphephile ekhaya kunokuthi ngibhadale irent ngingenamali. It's pride lekubanga ukuthi uqhubeke uhlale emaveni maruphelelwe emsebenzi. It's pride lekubanga ukuthi uqhubeke uhlale emaveni but uphelelwe emshado. So sabakubuye ekhaya ukuthi batothi kuphele mendo. You are full of pride. I-pride ikubanga ukuthi uqhubeke uact ngathi unaloku losote kona. I-pride ikubanga ukuthi ufihle ukuthi phela mina sengalahlekelwa ngilokho. It is only few people labatobuya kubo Elijah ama men of God abo bathe Nceku lizembe selalahleka lo mphini uphumile. I have lost what I was having. I have lost what I was but because I-pride igcwele itakubanga ukuthi ushaye ngetilimi lesethi dry. I-pride kubanga ukuthi uqhubeke noma udiyeva ukuthi la sewudry udzinga ne-fasting you won't agree. Phela lokho kubanga ukuthi uthi wena awufune kuyohlanganyela nebazalwane. You feel like you are more spiritual more than all of us. You on your own God can attend you. Thina simosha skhathi when we are in the church. That is pride. Utibona ngazuthi